Look here, the momos are fried here. What are you putting here? Chili sauce. This is called chili sauce. Which chutney is this? Both of these are chili sauces. Both of these are chili sauces. Oh brother, you can see here. Brother, he has set the place on fire. The next item is our soup. You can see it in this. Momo chutney. So brother, now we will put the momos in it and mix it well. So how much is this going to cost? This one will be sent for 100 rupees per plate. It costs 100 rupees.
0 mile.
Near 0